Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low-mileage 2013 Cadillac XTS Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9941A. Only 39,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal red in color. The XTS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat backs fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This premium collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy-to-read gauges, again, only 39,000 miles. Forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, which is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen Q infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. Dual zone temperature control with separate rear heat and air, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often, along with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XTS has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this XTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.